If you're watching this video right now, then you fall into one of these 4 categories. Number 1, you've never heard about anything called freelancing before and you just clicked on this video due to curiosity. Number 2, you've actually heard about freelancing but you've not been able to gather enough information to actually get started with freelancing. Number 3, you've actually started freelancing, you've created your freelancing account, you've created your profile, but you've not gotten any jobs at all and it seems as if the whole freelancing thing is a scam. Number 4, you've actually gotten a couple of jobs, but at this point, it looks as if jobs are no longer coming and it looks as if your account is dead. Well, irrespective of the category that you fall into, this is the best place to be. You see, to the average Nigerian, making money online seems to be a scam because a lot of us have actually fallen victims of various online scams at one point or the other. Now, to be sincere, freelancing can actually be frustrating sometimes, but this is because you do not know the exact strategies, the exact tips and the exact tricks to actually use to get jobs. And to be sincere, only a very little percentage of freelancers actually know these strategies, and because they know these strategies, they actually succeed in their freelancing game. Now, in this series of videos, I'm going to be teaching you guys everything I know about freelancing. I'll be teaching you all the tips, all the tricks, all the strategies that I know that can help you to survive in the jungle of freelancing. You watching this video right now has actually given you the opportunity to be among the little percentage of people that will become bosses in their freelancing game. But before I begin to share these tips with you, I need to take permission from my boss. So hang on one second. Hello, boss. Yeah, I need to share those freelancing tips with some people on YouTube. Can I go ahead? Okay. Copy that. Yeah, thanks. So let's get started. Now, let's start from the scratch. Let's start from the beginning. What is freelancing? Who is a freelancer? I'm just going to define this in layman terms. A freelancer is actually someone who works by himself, is independent, and dictates the terms of his work by himself. Now, let's imagine you work with a bank, let's say Zenith Bank. Now, because you work with Zenith Bank, you are legally bounded to Zenith Bank by a contract, and everything you do must actually be tailored to the success of Zenith Bank. So even if there is a job opportunity at UBA, you cannot work for both Zenith Bank and UBA together. You have to quit one to work for the other. Whereas on the other hand, as a freelancer, you have the liberty and freedom to work for as many clients as you like, provided that you can deliver. So as long as you are sure that you can actually deliver to those clients, then you are good to go. So now let's move to the next topic. How do you get started with freelancing? Now, there's something I always like to say. Skills are the bedrock of freelancing. Without skills, you cannot become a freelancer. It's just as simple as that. Now, I'm going to give you another illustration. Now, imagine a market woman that goes to the market without any goods, without any product to sell. What is the probability of that person making sales? 0. What's the probability of that person even making money? I mean, it's not possible to make money because there's nothing to sell. There's nothing to exchange for money. Every client out there is actively searching for freelancers with the specific skill sets to meet their specific needs. So as a freelancer, if you have the specific skill sets to meet the needs of a client, then there's going to be an exchange. You exchange your skills for money. So I hope it all makes sense. Without skills, you can't make money. So your skills are your commodity. Your skills are your products. Your skills are your services that you exchange for money from your clients. Now, calm down. I know you have a question in your mind right now. So how do you get skills? I know many people will be thinking, how do I get skills? Now, a lot of people have actually asked me how to get skills. And what I would simply say is you have to consider yourself. Now, as an individual, what are the things that interest you? What are the things that you find interesting to do? I mean, there must be some things that when you do, you actually feel a sense of fulfillment. These are the things that you actually need to consider when you are looking to acquire a skill. So if you are someone that likes designing, you can actually go into graphics design or UI UX or website design. In the next series of videos, I'm going to be diving deeper into freelancing. I'm going to teach you how to acquire skills for free. I'm going to teach you how to create your Upwork account, how to set up your profile, how to send killer proposals, and general strategies that you can use while navigating through the waters of freelancing. Now, I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it with a friend, and as usual, stick with me and let's keep ourselves in a techly manner. See you in my upcoming videos. Cheers.